In this video, we are going to understand the Revit project browser. The project browser is one of the most important panel inside Revit because it helps us navigate and manage the complete BIM project. Using the project browser, we can access views, legends, schedules, sheets, families, groups, and Revit links. Once you understand this panel properly, working inside Revit becomes much easier and more organized. Now let's expand the views category by clicking the plus button. Inside views, we can see different types of views like floor plan, ceiling plan, 3D view, elevation and sections. To open any of the view, click the plus button and double click the view. That's it. Now I will create a working copy of this first floor plan view, level 1. That is, I want to duplicate this. So simply right click and go to duplicate and click duplicate. This creates another version of the same view without affecting the original view. We can also rename views directly from the project browser. So right click the view, select rename and type the new name. Now let's look at the search option available at the top of the project browser. Large projects may contain hundreds of views, sheets and families. As we type here, Revit instantly filters and highlights the matching result. We can even use the keyboard arrow keys to move through the search result and press enter to open the selected view. Now let's move to the family section. Here we can see all loaded Revit families inside this project. For example, doors, ducts, electrical equipments, furnitures, walls, windows, etc. Click the plus button to expand. If we right click a family, we get additional options like edit families and type properties. We can even drag certain components directly into the model. Now let's look at the sheet section. The sheet category contains all drawing sheets created inside the project. These sheets are mainly used for documentation and printing. Now I will create a new sheet and place the first floor view on it. So right click, new sheet. You can also load multiple sheet or you can directly use, click OK. A new sheet is created and I will place the first floor plan view which I have created the duplicate level. Simply hold and drag and click. That's it. The view got placed on the sheet. This workflow is very common while preparing construction documents. Now let's understand expand and collapse. If we right click on categories like views or families, we can expand the selected or collapse the selected. We can also expand all and collapse all. This helps keep the project browser clean and organized. Another useful feature is zooming inside the project browser. Hold Ctrl key and use the mouse scroll button to zoom in and zoom out the browser list. Now let us use another useful option called Find in Project Browser. Select any element, example like the door, and click right click on that particular element and click on Find in Project Browser. Once you click, Revit will automatically locate and highlight that item inside the project browser. This feature is extremely useful in large projects. Understanding the project browser properly is very important because almost every Revit feature depends on it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and comment any doubt you have and subscribe to Inayah BIM Academy for more beginners friendly Revit and BIM tutorials. Thank you.